Kiriga kiria gikoretwo githiururukiirie arimi a mbembe gukorwo matarihitwo riu nikioete mwerekera mweru. Uhoro ungi ukiumbũka hindi iria minista wa urimi Mwangi wa Kiunjuri ekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ya Senate iria irathuthuria ndeto ino. Gukirikana ati Kwaya gicunji kia 60 hari igana kia mbembe iria ciri thiini wa makumbi ma NCPB citikinyaniirie ikiro iria cibatie niguo ihuthirwo ni mwingi.
The right shelf of maize. We are only supposed to hold maize at National Cereals and Produce Board for 24 months.
Even in the big silos?
In the big silos, we are not supposed to keep maize for more than 6 months. Why some of this maize is turning yellow is that because of the heavy burden we had collecting maize, the rice and everything, some of the maize we drained emptying the silos, and the maize now had started turning yellow.
Ndeto ino ni tumurire ndereti hiu gatagati ka memba kamiti yo magitongorio ni seneta wa Uasin Gishu Margaret Kamar. Guku Kiunjuri agitetera na njira nene na kuga ati mbembe icio citikwenderio muingi, na senators makihinyiriria ati ni nginyagia cingieherio thitoo-ini cia NCPB.
We are not selling ini. We are not releasing. Is that a position, MD?
Yes, sir.
We are not releasing.
Even if you wait for a second opinion before you destroy them, take them out of
those stores.
Kiunjuri ni erire kamiti yo ati ni oritie honge cia guthuthuria wagiriru wa irio kurora mbembe icio na kuheana riboti. Haha agietha guthikiririo ni amemba aya na kuga ni ahariirie gutengemania riboti ya kana mbembe icio ni cikinyaniirie ikiro wona uthuthuria warika.
Can you take that responsibility and say that maize is safe vis-a-vis this report that we have?
I've asked them to do another verification, both KEBS, Carol, and other independent institutions, so that by the time we report here, we shall give you a comprehensive answer.
Undu ungi uhithukire hindi ya gikaro giki ni uhoro wigie makumbi ma NCPB gukorwo maihurite mbembe. Kiunjuri agitariria ati mbembe icio citikoretwo cikigurwo kuona thogora wa NCPB uri iguru kuri uria uri thoko-ini kahinda-ini gaka. Senators makienda kumenya kuria magetha ma arimi magutwarwo nake Kiunjuri akiheana kiraniro.
We have our stocks, and because there is a lot of maize in the market, cheaper than what we have, nobody is buying from us because our price is 2,300. Already we have 3.6 million bags, which we need to dispose of in the next 3 weeks to enable us free the facilities so that we can receive maize.
Kahinda-ini gaka ikonia ria mbembe ria kiro 90 rirauma gatagati ga ciringi 1,200 na ciringi 1,800. Kiunjuri akiuga ati ministry yake ni kwanirira mathogora meru gukinyeria muthia-ini wa kiumia giukite. Na gukorwo ati gutire kuragia na utauku mukinyaniru wigie thoguri ya mbembe ria yahanikire mwaka muthiru, minista wa urimi Mwangi wa Kiunjuri ni oritie kamiti no ya Senate kumuhe kahinda kangi niguo akorwo agikinyia mbere yao na gutariria makiria niki kingikorwo giathire na mbere na niguo kurehe utheri makiria thiini wa ndeto ino. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Kameme TV kuma cikaro-ini cia bunge, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gicunji.